All right, so the camera, I'm about maybe 5 feet away from it. I'm setting up the solar panel so it could get enough sun. Right now it's a little gloomy. We're gonna have rain tonight, and we'll probably test it out at night with the rain and see how well it works. But so far, I'm very impressed with the quality. Let me show you some more features on the camera.
All right, today we're going to take a look at a 4G security camera, solar security camera. So if you own a business or you have your car vandalized a couple of times in the street, you could set this up anywhere and access it anytime because it's a 4G built in here. So you can connect your local cellular connection, or you can buy the cloud system services, or you can record from your phone directly to it. Now, this is great. You could actually send signals out to your phone when there's any kind of motion movement or any kind of disturbance. You can set this up and you don't have to worry about ever changing batteries or replacing them because it's a solar panel. So I set these up around my house and they work very well. Day and night, all types of weather. So we're going to set one up today. Got a power off and button and you got a reset button if you guys can see. All right, for the app, I have an Android phone, so we're going to go ahead and hit Android Store. It's going to directly take you what application you need to install. So you might have to register this if you want to provide some of the service that they have. All right, so it's asking us for barcode setup. So we're going to go ahead and do the barcode setup. Just heard a beeping sound, so we're going to go ahead and hit next.
Connecting.
Now it's connecting. It's connecting to the wireless setup. So we're going to set that up and then you're able to set up the rest of the stuff. Now we got it set up. It just beep. It's turning blue instead of red. Now it's blue. It's identifying it. It's going to check if it has firmware upgrade and other updates. Down and it pops out. And that's going to get you for the micro SIM card. So if you have a SIM card, you could take it out. It's a little bit tricky because it is very petite. And this is going to be the actual provider of the internet, right? So if you have your provider, you guys can notice the same thing. The 32 gigs goes on it, and then the SIM card goes right over it. And you can see the shape of it, how it's supposed to be, all right? So make sure you're aware of that they both go in the same place. The micro SD card, which is the SIM card. Here's the SIM card. And then you got the SD card, all right? So very petite, very small, easy to set up on the top of it. So it's register. You could set up your wireless configuration in your device already. You got your SIM card, your 4G SIM card, and then you have your micro SD card, 32 gigs, or you could provide your terabyte or whatever it is that you want. So that's a pretty good system that you could set up. So recording, or you could broadcast through your using 4G card. So we have our device set up already. It's configuring everything out. It has a 4G set up already. From here, you have access to pretty much screenshot, hold to talk, record, motion detect, and then the controller, and then the light too. So this has an AI tracking. So any movement, anything, it could identify a dog or a cat. Very simple. So you won't waste your battery. It's very simple to set those scenes up. There's a lot of features you can do. That's more than just one. You got the sirens, audio warning, and full color mode, album. And of course, you could change the different frequencies. And also not only that, you could change the quality of it. QHD and SD, right? So that's pretty much what you have in there. And right now we're just going to go ahead and connect to the system itself and see how well it works. And we're going to test it out in daylight.
All right, so we're doing a day, and it's getting a gloomy. It's going to start raining today. We're going to come back at night and test it out. So this is the quality of the camera. I'm standing about 4 or 5 feet. The lights just came on right now because of the cloud forecast.